Looking for a quick and natural way to lose belly fat? Lemon and apple cider vinegar might just be the game changer you need. In this video, I'll show you how these two simple ingredients can help you burn fat, improve digestion, and boost your metabolism. Plus, I'll share an easy recipe you can prepare at home to kickstart your weight loss journey. Let's make the drink. You'll need 1 glass of lukewarm water, half a lemon freshly squeezed, 1 to 2 tablespoons of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar, optional a teaspoon of honey for taste. Step 1. Start by pouring the lukewarm water into a glass. Step 2. Squeeze half a lemon into the water. Step 3. Add 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. Step 4. Stir well and your fat-burning drink is ready. To maximize its benefits, drink this mixture every morning on an empty stomach. Pair it with a balanced diet and regular exercise for faster and long-lasting results. Remember, consistency is the key. Here are a few extra tips to enhance your weight loss journey. Stay hydrated throughout the day. Avoid processed foods and sugary drinks. Get at least 30 minutes of physical activity daily. These small changes can make a big difference in achieving your goals. Give this simple and natural drink a try and see the results for yourself. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Share this video with someone who's looking to lose belly fat fast. See you in the next one.